This is a juvenile booby getting food from his mother.
Oh, wow!
And a frigate bird just grabbed it.
The steeler one. You know the steeler one? Frigate.
That of course, Frigate. The little one, he doesn't care about this one. He cares only for food. Now the other ones, they had to be very wise. They had to wait the right time until to feed the youngest one. As you can see, the youngest one is all the time pecking around the wheel.
Can you some sun? Why keep saying?
Until this one has to take off. So okay, you are too hungry. We need to wait the right time. Because the frigate are waiting that opportunity. There you are, and again, and again. The juvenile has to be very careful because he can lose the food of the day. There you are. Adelante.